folks, this is Michael Corcoran. I'm going to explain in 2 minutes or less how to install a disinfection wand filter unit under the kitchen sink. Relatively simple. Make sure you turn the cold water off under the kitchen sink. This is cold water, this is hot water. Once that's turned off, disconnect your cold water line. This is part of the installation kit that comes with the system. This is the head of the unit. Now on the head of the unit, you've got water coming in and water going out. It is marked on here, in and out on the left and the right side. First thing you're going to do is take your line that's going to come from your cold water in. You're going to jam that in there tight enough to where you'll hear it pop. Take your flat tip screwdriver, pull this out a little bit in order to get this pin seated over it. Make sure you rotate that up enough so that will not come out. Next thing, you take the next piece of the installation kit, you push that in there just enough to hear that pop. Then you pull that out a little bit, take your pins, put that on the inside like that. Make sure you rotate that down so that's properly secured, so that's not going to come. It's really jammed in there. And at this point, all you got to do is, this is the water that you disconnected from the cold line. Connect this to the out line, because this is going to water going out from the filter into your tap. And then your water coming in, this is the inside of the filter head. You screw that down on top of the line. Take your cartridge, put it in, snap it. And this could get installed anywhere that's convenient under the kitchen sink. That's it.